Swati UL S3BA English, roll number 53. I would like to say about Lives and Works of Malayattu Ramakrishnan, summary and analysis of his novel Roots Vedugal. K.V. Ramakrishna Iyer was born on 27 May 1927, popularly known as Malayattu Ramakrishnan, was an Indian writer of Malayalam literature, cartoonist, lawyer, judicial magistrate and an IAS officer. He was born in Kalpati, Palakkad district. He was one of the 6 children born to C. Vishwanatha Swami and Janaki Ammal. His schooling was at various schools in Kerala, travelling with his father, whose work carried him to many places in the state. He started college education at Union Christian College, Aluva. Later he graduated from the University College, Thiruvananthapuram. He also studied law. He worked as a tutor at his alma mater, Union Christian College, Aluva, for a while. He moved to Mumbai to join Free Press Journal. He served in various positions during administrative service career until he resigned from service to concentrate on writing. He was married to Krishnaveni in 1954. He died on December 27, 1997 at the age of 70. Works and awards. His notable works include Yandram, Vedugal, Yakshi as novels. His movies include Yakshi, Agam, Chembaratti, Chayam, etc. He got Kerala Sahitya Academy Award, selected Vedugal for their annual award for novels in 1967. He received Valar Award in 1979 for the novel Yandram. Summary and analysis. Roots Vedugal is a Malayalam semi-autobiographical novel written by Malayattu Ramakrishnan in 1966. It is translated to English by V. Abdullah. Vedugal is one of the greatest novels in Malayalam, which initiates the so-called modern human beings to understand the values of human relationships and bloodlines. This book explores the emotional conflicts faced by a man who returns to his village to sell his ancestral home and property. Raghu returns to his native village after a lapse of several years to raise money to build a city mansion for himself by selling his ancestral home. He sets about this under pressure from his shrewish and domineering wife. Despite the oppositions raised by his siblings and other relatives, the protagonist Raghu is unmoved. However, as he walks around the house and the land, he is taken down a line of memories from his past. He is reminded for his humble beginnings and the sacrifices made by his family for his good future. In the village, as he meets his sisters and others among whom he grew up, a flood of memories overwhelms him. Finally, he realizes that the house and the property is its heritage and that his roots lay there. Raghu changes his plan to sell the property and returns to the city with a firm resolve to revive his connect with his roots by building a new house in the land and staying with his family during vacations. The novel is all about inner feelings of person who wants to sell his ancestral land, which has lot of memories connected to him. The novel progresses as the central character Raghu goes to his village to sell his ancestral land to build a new bungalow in the city. From this point, the author switches the storyline between Raghu's past and present. The novel has a very natural pace which very much helps to get the reader's attention. The story ends as the hero realizes that his roots are at this land. Conclusion. Vedugal or Roots by Malayattu helps reinforce our conviction that there are infinitely talented authors amongst the regional language authors in India who simply go unnoticed because they are inaccessible to the wider audience. This is all more reason of these gems to be translated to English and other languages, though it is true that a large part of work's essence is lost in translation. It nevertheless helps in understanding other cultures and writing styles. Verugal is a story which makes us realize not to forget our roots in any way. Roots are the only mode to find our origin. It is the only answer for our existence in the world. The book narrates rapidly exhalating greediness of the human minds, which is built by demolishing our roots and origins. It gives us a clear idea about where our roots should be. Instead, the book prompts second thoughts on our principles. The core idea of this novel is that roots of humans are in our soil and we need to flourish upon it. Bibliography: Roots, Malayattu Ramakrishnan, translated by V. Abdullah, Orion Longman. Verugal, Roots, Novel Review. Thank you.